Here's proof that gaps under doors allow cold air to get inside. This is especially important in winter. Simply use a pool noodle cut lengthwise. Place it between the door and the floor. This way, cold air will no longer come in, and sealing the door becomes quick and inexpensive. Your electricity bills won't be as high, which means you'll save a lot of money. A simple trick worth knowing. Ever since I tried this, I wake up feeling rested and more relaxed. Take a towel that's roughly the width of your door. It doesn't need to be a perfect fit. Lay the towel on the floor and gently slide it under the door gap, ensuring it's even on both sides. Roll the towel tightly, just like shown in the video. Next, use rubber bands to secure both ends of the towel on either side of the door. This will keep the towel from shifting or unrolling when you open or close the door. This way, the towel will fit snugly, creating an effective barrier against noise and light. It's a simple way to make your space more restful without investing in expensive insulation accessories. The towel blocks sounds and light that can disrupt sleep. Plus, this method allows you to easily adjust privacy and comfort levels in your bedroom, promoting better relaxation and recovery after a long day. Hang a clothespin on the door handle. This simple trick is surprisingly useful. Take a regular laundry clothespin. Everyone has one at home, and a large stretchy hair tie or rubber band. Wrap the band around the part of the clothespin where you'd normally clip clothes. It will stay secure and stable. Now attach the clothespin with the rubber band to the balcony door handle. As you probably know, most balcony doors don't have a handle on the outside, so when you step out, the door often stays open or just slightly closed. But it doesn't have to be that way. Holding the clothespin when going out, you can gently pull the band after closing the door, allowing it to shut behind you. This little trick works great in both summer and winter. No more letting hot or cold air escape just because you stepped out for a moment. I put my sweaters out on the balcony, and my neighbor thought I had lost my mind. In reality, it is a simple trick to refresh wool. As soon as there is snow and freezing temperatures, I take out my wool sweaters and do what is called snow washing. I lay them flat on the balcony, which is covered with snow. I use this method for merino wool, cashmere, and regular wool garments. Then I sprinkle them with a thin layer of fresh snow. This method comes from a time when washing machines were not common. It answers the question of how to wash wool clothes without them shrinking. The snow should cover the entire surface of the garments. I leave them there for at least 1 hour. After that, I shake off the snow. The freezing temperature refreshes the wool and removes bacteria. This way, wool can be refreshed without damaging it or risking shrinkage. Bad odors disappear, and the fibers of the sweater become fluffy again. Then I lay the clothes flat on a drying rack, far away from the heater. Wool garments should not be dried at high temperatures because they can shrink. It is important that they lie flat, as this protects them from stretching and losing their shape. Wool clothing should not be washed often, which is why I use this grandmother's method whenever snow appears on my balcony. Rub soap on the front door. Yes, regular soap. It may sound unimpressive, but its properties might surprise you. Rub it thoroughly into the bottom edge of the door. Don't be stingy. It's especially worth doing this on balcony doors, where dust and small particles often collect. You can also gently spread soap on the bottom window frames. A thin, well-distributed layer is enough, especially on the sides and in the corners. It works quickly, leaves no traces, and ants start avoiding these areas entirely. There's one more simple method. Grate a bit of soap, preferably using the coarse side of a grater. Pour it into a small bowl and add a tablespoon of instant coffee. Mix it. Tear off a piece of aluminum foil. Cover the bowl with it, and poke a few holes using a toothpick. Set it near the door, including balcony doors, somewhere it won't get stepped on. 2 simple steps. Neither of them seems like much, but give them a few days, and ants will never visit your home again. Place a bay leaf in an eggshell. I'm sure no one has told you about this combination before. It's worth trying out. The combination of the eggshell and bay leaf has two excellent uses. I recently learned about it myself and regret not knowing sooner. The first use is as an insect repellent, and the second is for good luck. So let's prepare our magical bowl. First, pour salt into the bowl, leaving about 2 centimeters from the top. Then, place the eggshell in the center of the bowl. Take the bay leaves, put one inside the eggshell and stick a few around the shell in the salt. Place the bowl somewhere at the threshold of your door. The scent released from our bowl will repel all insects. However, if any do get inside, the salt will dry out their shells, and they won't be able to escape the bowl. As for the second aspect related to this bowl, it is believed that if we keep it at any threshold in the house, only good energy will reign over our home. Happiness will flow to us and our household members. We must believe in it ourselves, and a good aura will surround us. Place a coin next to the key and take a picture. With it, you will be able to open the door in an emergency without calling a locksmith. This trick allows you to open the door when you don't have a spare key. I already have a picture of my key. Now, take a picture of yours. Take the coin and the key, place them next to each other, and take a photo. When you lose your key, find the picture. Display it on your phone. Place the same coin on it as in the photo and adjust its size to make them identical. This way, you'll have the exact size of the key. Stick a piece of plastic on the screen. It could be a small piece, for example, from a bottle. Regular adhesive tape will hold the plastic in place. Trace the outline of the key on it. Do this slowly and carefully. Peel off the plastic with the traced key from the phone. Take scissors and carefully cut out the key. It's important not to miss any teeth. It will take a moment. Now you have a new spare key, you'll be able to open the door with it. It works perfectly in such situations. Clip a clothespin with a hair tie onto the door handle. You won't regret it. This simple trick is surprisingly useful. I never knew that an ordinary clothespin with a hair tie would become my favorite little gadget. I'm sure you'll love this idea too. Everyone has a clothespin at home, and you only need one. A wooden one works best. You'll also need a hair tie or a rubber band. Make sure it's large enough. Wrap the hair tie around the clothespin, securing it where it would normally grip a clothesline. This will keep the band from slipping. Now, attach the clothespin with the hair tie to the handle of your balcony door. Balcony doors usually don't have an exterior handle, so when you step outside, the door stays open or slightly ajar. But it doesn't have to. With the hair tie attached, step onto the balcony while holding the clothespin. As you go out, simply pull it, and the door will close behind you. This trick is useful in both summer and winter. No more letting hot or cold air into your home just because you stepped outside for a moment. Ever since I tried this, I wake up feeling rested and more relaxed. Take a towel that's roughly the width of your door. It doesn't need to be a perfect fit. Lay the towel on the floor and gently slide it under the door gap, ensuring it's even on both sides. Roll the towel tightly, just like shown in the video. Next, use rubber bands to secure both ends of the towel on either side of the door. This will keep the towel from shifting or unrolling when you open or close the door. This way, the towel will fit snugly, creating an effective barrier against noise and light. It's a simple way to make your space more restful without investing in expensive insulation accessories. The towel blocks sounds and light that can disrupt sleep. Plus, this method allows you to easily adjust privacy and comfort levels in your bedroom, promoting better relaxation and recovery after a long day.